Have you ever divided any number by 0 before? What did you get? Or probably you've never even tried it at all. Now pick up a calculator, punch 2 divided by 0. What did you get? You see that you get something like complex infinity, math error, or something of that nature. What that simply means is that 2 divided by 0 has no answer. It has no value. It does not exist. It's just impossible, right? And that's what leads us to this WASSCE 2026 General Maths Objective Question 1. Hopefully, this same question might be replicated in next year's WASSCE exam. Now, what does the question say? For what values of m is the expression m plus 1 over 3m raised to the power 2 minus 2m minus 5 not defined? The key word here is not defined. What does that mean? It means that a fraction is undefined if its denominator is equal to 0. You can see that's why this particular fraction is undefined and does not have any value. Now, let's solve this together. We'll start by writing solution. Next, I'll write the question which says m plus 1 over 3m squared minus 2m minus 5. Now, we have agreed already that fractions are undefined when their denominator equals 0. So since it's not defined, I will just equate this denominator to 0. Quickly, that becomes 3m squared minus 2m minus 5 equal 0. Now, what does this equation look like? It looks like a quadratic equation. Why? Because it has the highest power of what? 2. There are several ways of solving quadratic equation, and one of such way is factorization method. To achieve that, we multiply the first term by the last term. What does that mean? 3m squared times minus 5 gives minus 15m squared. Next, we look for two factors of this term, such that when you multiply it, you get this term, and when you add or subtract it, you get the middle term. What can such factors be? Without wasting time, it's going to be minus 5m plus 3m. What we are just doing basically is we are increasing 1, 2, 3 terms to 4 terms so that it will be easy for us to factorize 2 by 2. We can name this equation 1. What does that mean? We are going to replace the middle term, which is minus 2m, with minus 5m plus 3m. And when we do that, we have something like this: 3m squared minus 2 minus 5m plus 3m minus 5 equal to 0. Right? Next, we can now factorize 2 by 2, which was not possible initially. Now, looking at the first two, what's common is m. So you factor out m, and you have what's left is 3m minus 5. Next, these two terms, the only number you can factor out is 1. So you factor out 1 plus 1 into brackets 3m minus 5 equal to 0. Right? Next, we have two common terms here, 3m minus 5 and 3m minus 5. So you factor out 3m minus 5, and what's left is m plus 1 equal 0. Right? So you can just finish up like this. Quadratic equation always have two answers. So it means we can write this as 3m minus 5 equal to 0, or m plus 1 equal to 0, right? Solving further, we have 3m is equal to 5, or m is equal to minus 1. And this becomes, we divide both sides by 3, m is equal to 5 over 3, or m is equal to minus 1. And this is our final answer. Yeah. So those of you that answered question 1, the OBJ, if you didn't get this, it simply means you are wrong. So you come over to your option and you choose option D. Anything other than this is actually wrong. So next, I'm going to give you an assignment, right? What you need to do is solve on paper, snap it, then upload it on the comment section, right? The first person to upload the answer will be rewarded, right? Will be rewarded. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you actually enjoyed the video, comment and do well to keep supporting us. Thank you and keep learning. Now, here's your assignment, and the old school is called homework. I don't know if you guys recognize this as homework. And this is it. So I want to see the first person to upload the correct answer. Keep learning.